Put it on your forehead like this.
Forehead, friend?
Explain us the situation.
Why my forehead? I don't even know. You guys
can just
I can't. I don't.
flip it like this.
How do you describe a groundhog?
I don't know, bro. Like,
No, just flip it.
flip
Flip
it like
it.
this. Hard. Like this.
I can't say words?
You know, just do gestures.
No, I can't do that.
Flip it.
A crow. I was gonna say the black Pokemon.
Tigre.
Dinosaur.
Mm.
Fucking
Leon.
tiger.
Lion. Tiger. Cheetah.
Fuck. Tiger, dinosaur. Fucking about to attack me.
A jaguar!